Okay, Boss Doggy. Uy! Boss Doggy. Pumatake na agad. Sa Conrad. Okay. Shoot! Uy! Balik ng atake. Baka. Uy! Sabi niya. Sa Conrad. Ibang sa kapakalan na. No, isi-shot na. Yes. Ang ganda mo. Kasi kung hindi, maiiwanan sila. Boss Doggy. Uy, ang sipat naman ni Boss Doggy. Nakakuha pa na Boss Doggy. NCT, nice play. Okay, NCT hooks. Grabe, pinamito. Kalma lang. May ako ang split. Nakano yun ang magkagulo sa tendon. Ipigil na yun. Boss Doggy. Attacks the basket. He's got the Boss Doggy. Boss Doggy against the shoot. Oh no! Good defense by Team Flip. Sakuragi. Sakuragi versus Boss Doggy. Oy! Grabe! Sakuragi. Nagpakilala sa lubog. Oh, 4-3. Correct. Boss. Eto, nilabas. 1-2. Nothing by Axel. And kaya ako pagkakapin na naman sa sa Marangyo. FCT. Ito na yung mabantay. 7-5 in favor of FCT. Long range. Oy, grabe bang shot ha. All save tayo. Ayaw magbitawan ito. Ayaw magbitawan ito. Airtight defense by Huri Adampi. Alam mo, malaki yung Sakuragi pero yung Buya Dangki maganda dumipensa. Oo naman. Diba sa silang yan, season 2. Eh, ang defending champion. Oy, Nico. MCT. Against 3. Kami break. Equality. Okay, wait. Chip na, no? Game yan. Ito na, Sakuragi. Sakuragi. Wala pa rin. Rebounded by NCT Hoops. Inarako ni NCT. Ano laban sa isa? 87 in favor of Flip. Sakuragi. Airtight defense by Nakamalan. No good. Let's go. Ito. Uy, grabe naman yun. Deadlock on 8. Deadlock. Chokes. To shield Sakuragi. Axel. Good defense by Team Doggy here. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Pero hindi pumasok doon. Rebound by Palomos goes to. Mataas tumalon eh, no? Boss Doggy pasame. Block by Sakuragi. Choose. Nice defense by NCT Hoops. Alam nyo na lang. Follow through by Sakuragi. FCT. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. FCT 4-2. Yes, sir. Ganito kakilala sa FCT sa team. Axel. Eto, maganda matchup. FCT versus Sakuragi. Kaya na naman. Nasabi ni Axel. The troops. Sakuragi versus Boss Doggy. Good defense by Boss Doggy there. Ay, ginawa pa na nasa loob na eh. Ginawa pa. Nice back there for the wall. Axel, grabe ang iwan nun. Ang iwan yung si MCT doon. Ang nanakarang black. NCT. Ay, grabe din. 2 minutes! 2 minutes. Oy! sila. Wala pa rin, no? But rebounded by Sakuragi. Sakuragi na sa akin. Kisira, ito na palime. Pinalik kay Sakuragi. Parang trompo yun. Grabe dito. LCD. Lamangan na siya. Nice box out fire. Team Amosidori. LCD hoops. Oy! Lock na sa braso. Shoots. Attacking. They need that 11 to 13 in the Brooklyn. NCT using his body. Turns around, spins. Wow, Meridian. NCT goes. Clear out. Oh, counted. Good defense by Team Boston. Oh, pero nakuha kayo ng Boston. Boston, atake. Boston, 33 seconds remaining. Pinabayaan. 25 seconds remaining. NCT hoops. Nakuha pa rin niya. NCT hoops. They were deeply 15 seconds. 5 seconds remaining. Reverse. NCT. Nagpasabi. Wala. Boston. And final score 60 to 12. Your winner. Flip by Boston.